Okay, for Memorial Day tomorrow, Ryan, we're hearing the word storms. When are those expected to start?
This time tomorrow night. So if you have any outdoor plans with the friends, family, any family gatherings in the backyard, it's looking good. It's looking fine. It's just gonna be hot. That'll be the main concern because with humidity factor in that high dew point, the air temperatures are going to feel more like 100 to 101. So that'll be the main concern for tomorrow. But for tomorrow night, yes, the chance for storms returns to San Antonio. Speaking of, let's take a look at radar, show you what we have outside right now. We have a weather impact alert for our western counties. Notice it's a little active across, let's say, Rock Springs towards maybe Uvalde, Del Rio, towards Valverde County. You can see as we zoom in, there you go. A couple of storms now crossing the Rio Grande. Just outside of Del Rio, two large storms, but one is of concern. You can see this one's generating a ton of lightning, a very electrical storm right outside of Camp Wood. That's where it's moving eastbound, right towards pretty much Texas 55 and towards Highway 83. Now, by and large, most of these storms will weaken on approach towards Camp Wood, Utopia. I think it will impact Camp Wood probably in the next half hour or so. So some heavy rain, maybe some very small hail associated with this particular thunderstorm as it moves eastward over the next couple of hours. Okay, Memorial Day, how's it looking? It's looking hot, 95 degrees tomorrow afternoon and breezy. Keep that in mind for any outdoor gatherings. The breeze is really going to make a difference just because of how hot the air temperature is. That at least helps, especially when you're in the shade. There will be a couple of spotty showers between the morning and lunch hour, but mostly dry during the afternoon. And then late in the evening and then late at night, Monday night and early Tuesday, that's when we could see a couple of strong to severe storms enter the area. Okay, today's numbers, 98, normal is 89. The record stays in place from 1989 of 103 degrees, morning low. Record 58. Okay, temperatures right now 80s and some rain cooled air for Rock Springs, Uvalde, but still hot in Del Rio, 95, 93 at Eagle Pass. There is this shaded area representing the marginal risk for tonight's severe weather possibility. As you saw on radar, this is pretty much where we're going to see those thunderstorms move eastward. And then by the time they make it to the I-35 corridor, they weaken. Tomorrow night, though, different story, level 1 to level 2 out of 5 for seeing a couple of more storms. Let's show you what that looks like on future radar. Tomorrow, lunchtime, there may be 1 or 2 storms in the area, but partly cloudy, if not mostly sunny. Middle 90s tomorrow afternoon. Watch what happens tomorrow night, 1 or 2 cells, and then some of that moves in our direction by late Monday night, early Tuesday morning. Some of those could produce isolated hail, quarter size, and maybe some strong straight line winds. Matter of fact, these next 7 days pretty active. We're in a very conducive environment that's unsettled, and over the next 4 to 5, maybe 6 to 7 days, daily chances for rain. On future radar, it paints it out. Tuesday, another opportunity at seeing a couple of storms. Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, there you go right there. Some of those, again, strong to severe. Wednesday, maybe some isolated activity, and same thing on Thursday and Friday as a very weak cold front approaches from the north, and depending on where exactly that stalls out, that could dictate more rain chances heading into the weekend. How much rain? Because we're in exceptional drought, we're in water restrictions. Right now, the forecast is painting on average 2 to 3 inches of rain between now and next weekend. So that's exactly what the doctor ordered. We need some rain desperately. All right, tomorrow's forecast for Memorial Day, 95 degrees, 92 Tuesday, and a little cooler Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Mid to upper 80s, which is seasonal. That's average for this time of year as we wrap up May. June 1st is next Sunday with a high temperature of 90 and less rain and more heat heading into the first month of summer.